Income tax e-filing is supposed to be a simple process. However, many of us are confused and some of us don't even know how it works. So in today's video, we're going to explore the steps you need to take to ensure that you are filing your income tax correctly. But before we begin, FinHub is a platform where we can share everything related to personal finance. Some of our initiatives include this very YouTube channel, our social media, and even our personal finance forum. So if you are interested to find out more, please don't hesitate to click on the link below in the description so you can find out more. And let's get back to the video. So before you start your income tax e-filing process, there are a few things that you need to prepare. The first thing would be your EA form. The second thing would be your e-filing account. The third thing would be your receipts or your payment proofs. If you do not have an e-filing account or this is your first time filing for income tax, please check out our previous video to find out what you should do instead. But if you already have these things prepared, let us begin our e-filing process.
First, head over to easy.hasil.gov.my. This webpage is where you want to go if you're going to file your income tax with the e-filing process. So the first thing you need to do is enter your IC number, click Hantar, and you will see a security phrase which you will recognize that it's related to your account, and then you enter your password. After that, you need to click on Teruskan. But before you click on that, make sure to disable your ad blockers and pop-up blockers, or if not, you will not be able to log in. So once you have logged in, you will see this dashboard and you need to click on the e-filing section over here. Scroll down, go to e-borang, click Teruskan, go to e-BE form, tahun taksiran, and you need to choose the year that you are filing your income tax for. So this year is 2022 and I need to file my income tax for last year, which is 2021. So I need to click on 2021. Once you click on that, it will pop up to the next page. This is the part where you can see everything related to your personal details, and on the second page is an extension of your personal details. On the third page is where you file for your statutory income, your aggregate income, and your monthly tax deduction. This is the part where you need to refer to your EA form for a more accurate filing process. Once you have done that, on the fourth page is where you file for your income tax relief. This is the part where you can file for your expenses and your claims that are recognized by the government. So don't overfile it. Don't file more than you can claim, or else the LHDN is going to come after you and you're going to pay a hefty fine. Once you scroll down, you can see this section here, and this is where you can file for your tax rebate if you are eligible. Once you have finished all of this, you just need to click Seterusnya and you will head on over to the fifth page where it is a recap of everything that you have entered into this portal. So on the fifth page is a recap for you to have one last look before you submit it, and with that, you have completed the e-filing process by yourself.
When filing for your income tax, here are a few things that you should take note of. Under the tax relief section, you are actually entitled to a self-relief of 9,000 ringgit. And if you have a spouse who doesn't have a source of income or has chosen for joint assessment, you are also entitled a spousal relief of up to 4,000 ringgit. Also, if your income is under 35,000 ringgit a year, you are actually entitled for a 400 ringgit tax rebate. This means you are actually getting a 400 ringgit discount after going through the tax bracket. If you do not have an EA form, can you still file for income tax? The answer is yes, you can. If you do not have your EA form because of a job change, you can still request your EA form from your previous employer because they are obliged to give it to you. But if you still do not have it and you really need to file your taxes, you can still refer to your payslip for a bunch of details such as your monthly tax deductions and the actual salary that you are being paid. You can use these details to calculate how much you have earned in the last year. so you can file your taxes properly. So basically, these are the steps you need to take to ensure you are filing your income tax correctly through the e-filing process. If you are interested to learn more about income tax, how it works, how income tax is calculated, and how do you pay lesser tax legally, we will talk more about this in our next video. So once again, thank you so much for watching this video. But before you go, I just want to let you know that we are trying to grow FinHub as quickly as possible, so we are doing a prize giveaway when we reach 1,000 subscribers. 10 winners are selected at random once we reach 1,000 subscribers. So if you like our content, please make sure to subscribe to us, visit our personal finance forum, visit our social media to learn more about us, and we hope you will get the cash prize. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video and good luck to you.